Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the HJC i80 model 2025. Also a warm welcome from my cat. I don't think she wants to see the helmet, but hey, at least she can get the box afterwards. Let's see and find out, and already thank you for watching. Okay, here we go. Just try to get rid of the cat. We ordered the helmet online by a local shop, Hans van Wijk. It's a good job. They have fair prices and most importantly, they act quickly and deliver quickly. And if there's a problem, you can always call them. It's never a problem. So, I'm actually very curious what to see here. I only saw it once. Go. I only saw it once. Hey, that's the helmet. Oh, a little dent in the box, but okay. Let's see. Flip it over. And there she is. She has what she wants. I got what I want, hopefully. It's always nice to see, huh? Let's get it out. Okay. What's also in the box? Papers with manuals. We always read that, of course. Not. Okay. Ta-ta-ta-ta. That's it. So why did I bought that helmet? I already have a Schubert C5, but I actually wanted another spare helmet, and I wanted a helmet which looks like an adventure helmet, but does have a flip, and this is one of the only helmets that provide that for me. Here we go. Okay, another pull and remove. No, let's not do that. Okay, here we have it. Let's turn it around. The brand new HJC i80 flip helmet, flip adventure helmet. Yeah, I think the design looks great. It's not heavy. It looks good with my bike. This black and white, but it's the same color. If you would see it in color. Okay, first impression, very good. Exactly what I needed, exactly what I wanted. The weight is very light. Let's try it on. Okay, let's do a little close-up. This front of the helmet, I already had it on my head for a few minutes, and it feels good. It's not too tight, it's not too fiddly, so it's great. Good thing to mention is there's already a pin lock in it, a pin lock 70 that comes with it from the price on. We have on the front 2 ventilations. In total we have 3. We can adjust them, open and close them, and the other wheel is on the top. On the side we have I think very cool graphics. On the top there's another ventilation shaft. You can open and close. It feels good, it feels sturdy, so that's alright. Then we have the back side. Air outlet, so all the hot air can go out. We have the weight. The weight is 1700 grams plus or minus 50 grams, so that's also very good. What can we tell more? Other side graphics. Open it up, yes, it feels good. And maybe we can look on the inside. It's not special, but hey, it's good. Yes, I think for the price the helmet costs, it's a great value. It's a great value for money, and it's one of only few helmets, flip helmets, which have an adventure look. So yes, very happy with it. On the top side again, nothing to complain, I think. So that's the unboxing. We're gonna go and hit the road in a few days, and I will make another video of it. So what my thoughts are driven it, but the helmet is not very expensive. It feels sturdy, it feels good. It's not heavy, so let's hope when we hit the road it's also nice.